Welcome to my channel!
Is your Wi-Fi slow or not reaching every room? Don't worry. Today I'll show you how to set up a Wi-Fi range extender in just a few easy steps. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want better Wi-Fi coverage at home, this video is just for you. Step 1. Plug in the extender. First, plug your Wi-Fi extender into a power socket near your router. Wait for the power light to turn on. Tip: keep it close to router during setup. Step 2. Turn on WPS. Now, press the WPS button on your extender. Step 3. Press router WPS. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your router. This connects both devices automatically. Step 4. Wait for connection. Wait for the LED light to turn solid green or blue. That means your extender is connected. Step 5. Move extender. Now, unplug and place the extender halfway between your router and weak signal area. Best position improves performance. Step 6. Connect to new Wi-Fi. Open Wi-Fi settings on your phone or laptop. Connect to the new network name like Wi-Fi_EXT. Step 7. Test internet. Now open YouTube or Google and check your internet speed. If your router doesn't have WPS, 1. Connect to extender Wi-Fi. 2. Open browser. 3. Type 192.168.1.250 or setup page. 4. Enter your Wi-Fi password. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi is now boosted. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if your extender is not working. I'll help you fix it.